Example number 1. A proton is shot along the positive x-axis with a speed of 3 into 10 to the power 5 meter per second. Calculate the magnitude and direction of the force experienced by a charge if a magnetic field of strength 0.3 Tesla when magnetic field is applied in positive y direction, negative y direction, negative x direction. So in the three cases, we have to find magnitude and direction of force experienced by proton. So it is given velocity is 3 into 10 to the power 5 meter per second. We know that charge of proton is equal to that of charge on electron, but it is oppositely charged, that is positive charge, 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. So magnetic field is given, its magnitude is 0.3 Tesla. Now charge particle is moving along x-axis. In case 1, magnetic field is along positive y direction. Positive y direction. So in this case, theta is equal to 90 degree. Angle between velocity, which is along x-axis, and field is along y-axis. So theta is equal to 90 degree. So field is along this direction, y-axis, velocity is along this direction. So angle between them is 90 degree. So force should be given by QEB. Sin theta becomes 1, theta is 90 degree. So substitute and simplify. 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 into velocity is 0.3, field is 0.3, velocity is 3 into 10 power 5. So we'll get it to be 1.44 into 10 to the power minus 14 Newton, right? So this will be the force. Now what is the direction of this force? So direction of force should be in the direction of V cross B. If you rotate a screw from V to B, it will be out of plane of board. So this is along x direction, this is along y direction. So this should be positive z direction, right? So this is given by your Fleming's left hand rule also, right? So direction of this force is along positive z direction, right? This is given by Fleming's left hand rule. So this is your first case. In the second case, it is given B is along negative y direction, minus y direction. So in this case, particle is moving along x-axis, that is velocity is this way, magnetic field is along y direction. Now again angle is 90 degree only, theta is equal to 90 degree. So no need to calculate again. Force will be 1.44 into 10 power minus 14 Newton. Now what is the direction of this force? So it should be in the direction of V cross B. It will be into the plane of board, that is minus z direction, right? So this is along minus z direction. Right? Now coming to third case, where B is along negative x direction. That means V is along positive x direction, yes, the direction of V. Magnetic field is along negative x direction. Angle between them will be equal to 180 degree. So theta is equal to 180 degree. So force will be QAB sin theta. Sine of 180 degree is 0, so force is equal to 0. So there is no force acting on the proton. When there is no force, there is no question of direction. So this is the expected answer.